T2 Sick. You guys probably watch some of my videos. Basically getting more gear as riding season approaches for me. Earlier video, you did get to see my Hypersport Icon gloves, the little gray set. I told you in that video I was going to actually match it up with the gray just to match my AGV helmet because it's that bright yellow. So I used the gray and like the neon, but I also did the boots in the same thing. I did go with Icon boots just as well. Actually, this is my first official riding boots. Before I had tactical boots, they worked, but they wasn't riding boots. So my first official riding boots from Revzilla, went with the Icon Overlords. They're definitely the Overlords. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Looks like they come in their little Icon box from Revzilla. And I do get more stickers. Love the stickers. You already know that. Real simple. So, Icon Overlords, they do come in an Icon box. As you can see, this is the box it comes in. Went with size 13. That's what size I pretty much wear anyway. So I'm hoping, because 13s are very hard to get a hold of. So I'm hoping that these 13s fit me the way I want with the Overlord. All right. So here we go. Like I told you before, I went with the gray. I got the little, I'd say more of a neon color. It's not really yellow, but it actually works. Like I said, the boots are gonna match my gloves. That's just what it is. Both Icon. I'm still waiting on my pants to come in. That'll be great. I did order some Icon pants, but these are about the boots. So we have the ankle support. Looks pretty solid back here, as you can tell. Actually, it is pretty good. Yeah, I do like it. I'm gonna have the zipper on the side. I do like the zipper on the side compared to actually having it tied up. Because of the tactical boots that I had, the zipper was on the side and I just Velcroed it for more tightness around the ankle. This is gonna get above the ankle and it's gonna give me more of a shin block. Love the idea. I got the shin guard here. So let's take a look at this bad boy, put it on real quick. All right. Okay, I like the way they feel. They're not tight. Feels like my foot's not gonna be sweating to death, so that's a plus. These hot days that we have. Let's get this other one on here. All right, go ahead and zip them up. One cool feature I do notice on the zipper is the handle of the zipper is actually Velcro, so I can stick it inside with the Velcro and then Velcro the boot all the way together. Okay. Oops, get that zipper in there. We don't want that guy just floating around. All right, they're on, guys. They're light, I give you that much. Said that earlier. Comfy, they're still solid. We'll have to break them in. Just a couple riding, a little bit of walking. I don't know how much walking you can probably do in these guys, so until your feet start to hurt, but the padding is pretty solid in there. But if not, you can always get more padding to put in the bottom of the boot. I do like them. Gotta say thanks to Revzilla. They definitely did me another solid on some boots. You guys will see my next video. It's gonna be on my riding pants that I ordered. Other than that, guys, thanks for the watch. Revzilla, thank you. Guys, have a good one.